Hey, how you doing? Today's December 15th, 2023, and we've got a brand new model of the Strongarm 5, Lot 15. Now, one of the improvements we have is we have a longer handle for more torque control and better leverage, easier to attain the pressure needed at the bit. We also replaced the old black oxide bolts with the stainless steel bolts, more corrosion resistance, lasts longer, looks nicer for a longer time, and the stainless steel part that we use for the swing arm here is 50% stronger. We had some of you guys say that it was a little spongy, so we are now working with 50% stronger metal, much stronger. Well, the most exciting news is we've made an awesome, the best on the market clamping system that clamps on your drills. We've had so many people say, why won't your drill press fit my drill? Well, there's so many different sizes out there, and until now, nobody had the answer. 18 and a half years I've never had the answer, but now I do. We'll fast forward a lot and we'll show you. Some of the drills a little bit bigger, this 2.5 inch. This is pretty big, but we'll make this work. In this clamp here, as you can see, it's not going to clamp in. So we'll work really fast and we'll move forward. We took the screws off of the cap. We're going to let the chain out until it fits over. Ooh, perfect. We'll reinstall the clamp, and we can tighten it later, but live with me here. Yeah, that's all we're going to get. Well, look at that. We don't even really have this tightened, but you can see it's already pretty snug. Pretty cool. You can see how that works. Let's see if we can get a small drill clamp in there. Just release that. Remove the 2.5 inch. Take the cap off again. And it's one of the smallest anti-collars that I've found on the market. Probably not the smallest. There's so many, but it's one of the smallest. So obviously you can see what we're just doing there. We're just moving the chain back, putting the cap back on. And we also made this plunger here to rest against the drill, so when you have the pressure forward, it keeps the drill from moving into the body of the Strongarm. So all we have to do is tighten this nut, which you can't see, but you can imagine. And the plunger is already tight. Now, if that's not cool enough, we have this Velcro strap. Make this thing super, super solid. That is awesome. Well, everybody says that's pretty cool, but a lot of these cordless drills today does not have an anti-torque collar. Wow. Gotta suck to be me. I can't use a Strongarm 5. Now we have this drill chuck adapter. And I will have the special video about how to use this, but I'll show you real quickly how that works. It has the same collar as that, about the same dimensions. Simply goes in the clamping mechanism like this. And then you just put your existing drill motor, your cordless. I don't have a cordless drill that doesn't have a collar, but you can understand, you just put the chuck over the shaft. Tighten it down. Of course, you can put the strap around here as coarse as you want. And it will fit any drill.